roll right on out. Yep. I'm sorry, your name again was?
Jason.
Jason, thank you, Jason. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and roll right on out behind that car. Follow that car. As we come out of here, we're just going to go left, right, left through the chicane. As we come around this last left-hander, as the track comes around into your windshield, this is your first chance to roll on the gas down the straightaway here. We're going to come to the right-hand side down here. Stay all the way to the right. You're good. Carry that speed into the corner. We're going to come left to the green cone, and we're going to stay to the left-hand side to the orange cones on the left down here. So stay to the orange, and then we're going to sweep right to the green. We're going to stay on the right-hand side to give ourselves a line into the chicane. As we come out of the chicane, we're going to come back to the green cone on my side. So back to the green, now straighten up down the hill. Start picking up a little bit of gas as we come around here to the right. We're going to go all to the orange cone. Then we're going to sweep around to the left. You'll see the apex cone coming into view. There it is. Roll on the gas. We're now on the back straight. Now to the orange cones on my side. Look for the green on your side. Come on, stay all the way to the orange. Now a straight line to the green and down to the next green on my side. Staying on the gas down the hill here. We're going to lift before we get to the green. Stay off the gas, off the brakes. We'll bring the car up to the corner. Now you can squeeze a little bit of brake, carry that speed into the corner to the green cone, let the car run out to the middle of the track, so come out to about the middle track, easy, 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 down to the second part of the corner. Now a roll on the gas once we're on the straightaway. Go, 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 through the chicane here, thread the needle, look for the green cone on my side. You can maintain gas all the way down to the yellow cones on your side of the track. So come all the way down to your side. Once we get there, we're going to lift off the gas and maintain speed down to the orange, and then come across to the green on my side. We're going to stay the right-hand side down into the braking zone here. Come all the way up to the corner. Nicely done. Down to the left-hand side here. And then just a little dab more brake here, and then hook right-left. Pick up a little bit of gas through this chute. Down to the middle of the track here before we turn left. Look into the corner. We're going to turn left and look all the way through the corner, down to the curb on the left-hand side of the track, all the way down the end here. You're going to go out to those orange cones. When you get there, you're going to do a little squeeze of brake and then turn tight to this orange cone. We want to be on the right-hand side of the track coming out of here. Down to the right-hand side. This is a very sharp left-hander. First corner on the track. Brake hard. Look into the corner. Turn tight, tight, tight. Now start straightening up as we come out of the S's. Onto the straightaway here. Your second chance to roll on the gas here and look for the audience what they want to hear. Nice. And carry that speed into the corner. Down to the green cone on your side. And then stay left to the orange on your side. Once you get to the orange, sweep right to the green on my side. Through the chicane. And again, after the chicane, come back to the green cone on my side of the track. So back towards me now. And straighten up. Nice. Roll on the gas down through here. Start picking up speed. Accelerate down to the orange cones and then maintain your gas down through the left-hander. And we're on the straightaway now. Go, 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 go. Come all the way out to the orange on my side. Stay out to the right. Look for the green. Now turn down towards that green. Look for the next green down the track. That's where you want to be next. Nicely done. Come to the right-hand side. We're going to stay to the right once we go past here. And just a little squeeze of brake. Come off the brake and carry that speed into the corner. Past the green. Patience with the gas here. Come out to the middle of the track. And then we're going to turn back down for the second bite of this cherry. Now you can roll on the gas once we straighten up out of here. Roll on the gas. Past the greens. All the way down to the yellow cones on your side. Accelerate all the way down. Nicely done. Stay to the orange. And then back down to the green on my side. Come down to my side. Nice. Bring the car up to the corner. Lift off. Little squeeze of brake. Turn in. And a little more brake for the right-hander. Hug right. And accelerate out of the corner. Nice. To the middle of the track down here. Look into the corner. And accelerate down to the left-hander. Down to the curb on the left-hand side. And sweep right. Tight on the right-hand side. This is the tight left-hander. Give it up going in here. And then crank that wheel all the way over. Easy with the gas. Roll on the gas now. Once we're straight away. Once we're straightened out of the corner, you can back into the power. Nice. Roll on. Go, go, go. And lift. Carry that speed into the corner to the green. Stay left to the orange. And then right to the green. Nicely done. Through the chicane. Come back to my side after the chicane, so back towards me now, and straight. Nice. Rolling on the gas, picking it up through the left-hander here. Stay on the gas through the left-hander, past the green, you can roll onto full throttle. Go, go, go. Aim for the orange cones my side, now look for the green, and now green, and then green on my side. Join them together. Nicely done. Bring it on down to my side of the track. Lift off, squeeze brakes, melt off the brakes, turn for your green. Let the car come to the middle of the track, and then back down for that second bite of the cherry. Easy. Now turn in and roll back on the gas. Straight line. Go, go, go. Stay on it all the way down to the yellows. All the way to the yellows. Stay to the orange. To the green on my side. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze those brakes. Left-hand side, a little more brake for the right-hander. Turn in. One last little squeeze of gas as we come out of here. Nicely done, sir. And that's it. 3 laps down. We're going into pit lane. Good job. So this time, as we come around the end of the white wall here, you'll see there's blue cones on the right-hand side. On either side of the pit lane entry, we'll just turn in there and look for my friend with the camera. He'll tell you where to stop. Perfect. Big smile like you stole it. Great. Let's go ahead and pull on up behind the red one, please.
Now this is amazing.
John, you got a hot mic just so you know.
Yeah, I love this thing. Awesome.